In this video, you'll learn how to log in to your Binance account using the mobile app. This process will guide you through each step to ensure a successful login. Start by locating the official Binance app on your mobile device. If you've not installed the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once installed, tap on the app icon to open it. You will be greeted with the home screen where you should see the option labeled login. Select this option to proceed. Next, you will need to enter your login credentials. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. After that, input your password carefully. It is important to double check your entries for any spelling errors to avoid login issues. Once you have confirmed that the information is correct, tap the login button to continue. After tapping login, you may be prompted to complete a security verification step. This is a crucial part of the process that ensures your account security. Depending on your settings, you will receive a verification code via email, SMS, or through your authenticator app. Retrieve this code and enter it in the designated field within the app. This step is essential for accessing your account safely. Once you have entered the verification code, the app will validate it. If the code is correct, you will be granted access to your Binance dashboard. This area is where you can manage your trades, view your balance, and access various features offered by Binance. If you encounter any issues during this process, double check your credentials and ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.